It is still pretty windy. Now, we have a wind advisory that's still in effect till 5 o'clock for portions of New Hampshire and Maine. It's been taken down here, but it still is pretty windy out. We still have gusts 30, 35 miles per hour, 38 on Nantucket. But from this point on, the wind should slowly diminish. And once we get past sunset, they'll actually diminish rather quickly. And you can see that as we take you through the evening and then into the night. And the winds, again, do calm down quite a bit compared to the way they have been. So tonight, clear skies. It will be colder as the winds ease. Might stay above freezing in a few spots, but most places will be in the 20s and low 30s late tonight, early tomorrow morning. So a crisp start to the day tomorrow, but another day with sunshine. Yep, it's got the check mark for the pick of the week. In spite of the chilly start, be nice in the afternoon. Most places will be approaching 60 degrees. It'll be a little bit cooler for the south coast and the Cape because that's a light southerly wind tomorrow that'll pick up there a little bit in the afternoon. But that's kind of nice and a much more tranquil day than what we've had today. So the gusty winds are bringing the colder air, but as high pressure settles over us, the winds diminish tonight. Just wanted to show you we did pick up some beneficial rainfall, but we're still running over 2 inches below normal for the month as far as Boston is concerned. All right, so there's your cold air. And then as the high pressure moves east, we're able to turn milder tomorrow, making it the pick of the week before the next system begins to approach to give us increasing cloudiness the deeper we go into Wednesday. And then it looks like some rain moving in Wednesday night. That's likely to last well into Thursday. And that, too, could be some appreciable rainfall. So that's how it settles down. Again, cold start tomorrow, but an overall beautiful, beautiful day. And Wednesday, dry start. Wet weather moving in at night, pretty mild until that happens, and then wet weather at least the first half of Thursday. And, of course, we'll have to see how that works out in terms of the Red Sox beginning their season scheduled Thursday around 2 o'clock. And then chilly weather will follow on Friday and a slight temperature moderation this week.